Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will solve this problem step by step and learn a simple method to find the value of a from this beautiful math exponential problem. A raised to power 3 minus a is equal to 60. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's begin. Solution. We have the given equation a raised to power 3 minus a is equal to 60. Now this can be written as a raised to power 3 minus a minus 60 is equal to 0. Now let's see if a is equal to 1, maybe it's going to equal to this 60. Then we have 1 raised to power 3 minus 1. This is not equal to 60. Now if a is equal to 2, this is 2 raised to power 3 minus 2. This is not equal to 60. If a is equal to 3, then we have 3 raised to power 3 minus 3. This is not also equal to 60 because 3 raised to power 3 is 27 minus 3, that is 24. Then if a is equal to 4, then we have 4 raised to power 3 minus 4. Let's see, is it equal to 60? 4 raised to power 3, this is 64 minus 4. This is equal to 60. Now, therefore, 60 is equal to 64 minus 4. Then the equation becomes a raised to power 3 minus a. This 60 can be written as minus 64 minus 4 is equal to 0. Then this is a raised to power 3 minus a minus 64 plus 4 is equal to 0. This is a raised to power 3 minus a minus 64 can be written as 4 raised to power 3 plus 4 is equal to 0. Now let's pair this with this and this with this. A raised to power 3 minus 4 raised to power 3, then minus, here will be a minus 4 is equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have x raised to power 3 minus y raised to power 3, this is equal to x minus y bracket x square plus xy plus y square. Now where x is equal to a and then y is equal to 4, this can be written as a minus 4 bracket a square plus 4 multiplied by a plus 4 square minus a minus 4 is equal to 0. Here you can see that a minus 4 is common. Let's factor it out. A minus 4 bracket, here we have a square plus 4 multiplied by a, 4a plus 4 square, that is 16. Then minus, if you divide this by this, we have 1 is equal to 0. Here will be a minus 4 bracket a square plus 4a 16 minus 1, that will be plus 15, is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is a minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 4. This is the first value of a. And the second case is a squared plus 4a plus 15 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula in this case is given as a is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and then c is equal to 15. Or you may write it in this form: a is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then we have the a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 15. Then a will be equal to b is minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 15 all over 2 multiplied by a is 1. A is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared, that is 16, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 15, that is 60 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 60, that is minus 44 over 2. This can be written as minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 44 can be written as square root of then 4 multiplied by 11 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. A is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Square root of minus 1 is I, then root 11 over 2. A is equal to minus 4 over 2 plus or minus 2i over 2 root 11. This 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. A is equal to minus 2 plus or minus I square root of 11. These are other values of A. Therefore, our final answer are A1 is equal to 4, A2 is equal to minus 2 plus I square root of 11, and A3 is equal to minus 2 minus I square root of 11. You can see that here we have one real root and two complex roots. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong, but for us to check, let us quickly make use of these real roots. To check, we have the given equation: a raised to power 3 minus a is equal to 60. Then if a is equal to 4, this is 4 raised to power 3 minus 4 must be equal to 60. 4 raised to power 3, this is 64 minus 4 must be equal to 60. And of course, 64 minus 4, this is 60, is equal to 60, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you have a better method or solution, kindly put it in the comment section. Please comment. Thank you. Bye.